Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can open YouTube audio library in the mobile phone. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the Play Store of your mobile phone and here you will see search option. So search here YouTube Music. So after that you will see this application, so download and install this application. So after that open this application and then log in it with your Gmail. So after that you will see library options at the bottom side, so just click on it and then you will see search option. So here you can search any songs or whatever you want to search. So in this way you can open audio library in the mobile phone. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.